Hi everyone, my name is Cristal Reyna. This summer, I actually had the pleasure of piloting a program, an outreach program for underrepresented students in STEM called Paradigm Shift. And I did this in partnership with my husband, Kyrie Thompson. So this program originally started at the University of Notre Dame, at the University of Chicago. And I had the chance to sit in on it for a summer, and it was just a great experience for me. So when I had the opportunity to bring this to Notre Dame, I really jumped on it, and EL-STEM actually really allowed me the time and motivation to do that. So Paradigm Shift targets underrepresented students in STEM, and we actually had the opportunity to partner up with La Casa de Amistad, which is a Hispanic outreach center located in South Bend. So it really starts out as a 7-week program that we started this summer, and the students actually get to pick their own projects. So it's really a self-driven type of thing. They partner off with graduate students that we recruit. We had 6 this summer, some of which are actually here, and they get about 3 to 4 students that they mentor throughout the summer. And really what we're trying to do is make STEM accessible to them. Some of these students have very different types of backgrounds in science, so they either really don't know a whole lot about biology or physics or technology or engineering. So they get to kind of ask a question about the world that interests them and then really drive that question and answer it in a way that they find interesting. Really what makes Paradigm Shift unique is that they actually get to build a learning tool. So as you can see here, down at the bottom, some of the students have some cake brains, and some of them made actually like some catapults to showcase things like muscles in the leg, and others actually wanted to look at what was required for life on Earth. We had some other really interesting projects looking at how instruments make sounds, and just a lot of really diverse things that the students were interested in. What was really great about this experience was just kind of getting out there and asking for certain opportunities. So one of the major things that we were able to bring to La Casa de Amistad was a partnership with Notre Dame. We actually partnered up with the Biology REU Symposium and had these students at the culmination of the project present their research projects to an actual academic audience. So while other undergraduate students had been working on their summer projects all summer, were also presenting, they also got to present their summer project there. And they had professors come up and talk to them, undergraduates come up and talk to them, their parents were able to attend. So it was really just a really great experience for them. And I think what was most surprising is seeing how they developed just this confidence and so much knowledge that we weren't sure they were actually getting up until they actually presented. So I think all of the mentors also had this really rewarding experience when they saw their students take charge of their projects and really start talking about what they had learned. It was also a really great experience for me as a leader, because as program coordinator, I wasn't actually a mentor to the students themselves. I was more of a mentor to the mentors. And so that really allowed me to see just every aspect of the program, from actually attaining funding to getting somebody to actually create our logo for free. So it was just kind of putting myself out there and getting that done and being a mentor to other people. But I think the biggest thing was really seeing them become empowered. For a lot of these students coming from very diverse backgrounds and backgrounds that a lot of people don't really understand, coming to Notre Dame and showcasing their projects was one of the most exciting and most intimidating times of their lives. So we had a lot of them tell us, we're actually really intimidated to be at Notre Dame. But with the help of their mentors and being confident, actually showing their confidence there, I could tell that they were actually inspired by that. And I just want to say that I really echo a lot of the feelings that all of the other fellows have said. This program has been so rewarding and really has allowed a lot of us to step outside of our comfort zone and learn things about ourselves as leaders, as mentors, and really just, coming out and talking to other people who aren't in our departments. So with that, I just want to say thank you.